Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This one is 10.6. We are on page 491, and it's pretty straightforward. It's what we've been practicing, but they're not asking us to do the models anymore. So let's just do this: ones, tens, hundreds. They're taking it easy on you. When we subtract three-digit numbers like this, I like to put them in rows and make sure that my rows are always neat so that I don't make a mistake and put a number over this way when it should be that way. All right, let's get started. If I have 9 and I'm going to take away 8, I can do it. There's only one left. If I have 2 and I'm going to take away 1, there's 1 left. If I have 5 and I'm going to take away 2, there's 3 left. However, when I come here, what is the difference? Well, one of the differences is this was bigger than this. This is smaller than this. If it's smaller on top or bigger on the bottom, better borrow. So I'm going to take one of these 10s, bring it over here. 10 plus 3 is 13. If I took one of these 5 away, now I have 4. 13 minus 6 is 7. It's a near double. 4, now I go to the 10s. 4 minus 1, can I do it? Yep. 4 minus 1 is 3. If I have 5, can I take away 3? I sure can. 2. All right, let's go over here. In the ones column, I have 3 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Bigger on the bottom, better borrow. Well, let's take a look. I take one of these 2 away. Doesn't matter how many are there. I need to borrow something from over there. Okay, so I leave 1. The 10 comes over here. Plus 3 is now 13. If I have 13 and I take away 4, that leaves me 9. If I have 1, can I take away 9? Uh-oh, I can't. So I'm going to do this, and I have to borrow for this one too, for this number. Okay, so I take away one of the hundreds, and I put those 10 tens with this 1 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11, and I'm sorry, when I took away this, that left me only with 2. I have 11 and I take away 9. Now I have 2. I have 2 and I need to take away 1. Can I do it? Yep. Good thing there's nothing to borrow from. So 129. Compare the problems. How are they the same? How are they different? Okay. So they are the same. All 3 subtracted 3-digit numbers. Okay? Then, from a 3-digit number. From, right? 3 digits from a 3-digit. Then, the first problem, right? So I'm going to label these so it'll make it easier on myself. Number 1, no borrowing. Number 2, what did I do? I borrowed for the ones. And number 3, I borrowed for the ones and the tens. Okay? So I turn this over, and this is just an example of what we were practicing. 635 minus 287. So I have 5 on the top and 7 on the bottom. I can't take 7 away from 5, so they took one of these away, made that a 2, And that is now a 15, not a 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now, for some reason, they wanted to show it over here because it's not animated. They can't say, oh, now let me show you what's next. Now let me show you what's next. They're just showing you the next step over here. Okay, so I have all of this is all of this. All right, now I have 2. Can I take away 8? No, no, no. So what do? I borrow from the hundreds. It's not 6 anymore. It is 5 in the hundreds. And that 10 sets of 10, I add to the 2 sets of 10. Now it's 12 sets of 10. 12 minus 8 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. All right. Now, we've been practicing this, and we've been doing pretty well at it. I want you to push yourself today. I know it's Friday, but I want you to push yourself. I want you to do the odd problems. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I think you can do it, okay? These are important things to know. I want to see that you do it. You can go ahead and skip the digger deeper. But if your mom or your dad is standing behind you and they're saying, I want you to practice more, well, then guess what? They get to decide. All right. But for me, I want you to do pages 492 and 493. Try to do the even problems, and let's see how far you can get. I think you should be able to do it pretty quickly. All right. Have a great day.